Hey friends, my name is Anastasia. I am the founder of Kula Cloth, and today I am here to give you a Kula Cloth snap tutorial because we have recently changed our snap configuration. And in order to preserve the life of your Kula Cloth, I want to show you how the new snap works so that you don't accidentally stretch or tear it. So the old snap configuration, you might end up with a Kula Cloth that has the old snap configuration. If that is the case, then the strap attaches to the front of the Kula Cloth, and the double stud at the end of this strap simply snaps to the back like that. That's how you snap it to your backpack. Then to close it, you simply snap it like this. So this is our old snap configuration. Keep in mind, anytime you are ever snapping or unsnapping a Kula Cloth, you should never, ever, ever be ripping on the fabric itself. That will drastically reduce the life of your Kula Cloth, resulting in fabric stretching, which can ultimately cause those snaps to rip out of the fabric itself, which nobody wants. So again, this is our old snap configuration. So strap, this is how you attach it to your backpack, and then once it's attached to your backpack, you can snap it closed. So now I'm going to show you the new snap configuration, far improved, but it's different. And if you are familiar with the old snap configuration, it might take a little bit of muscle memory to get used to this new configuration. The first few times that I used it, I found myself pulling in the wrong direction, which is really hard on your Kula Cloth. In general, as long as you are holding on to the snaps themselves, even if you're pulling in the wrong direction, you won't damage the fabric. Where we are seeing damage is when people are accidentally pulling on the fabric in the wrong direction because they're used to the old configuration, and it's causing that fabric to stretch, and it's causing the snap to rip out. Nobody wants that to happen. So how the new snap configuration works is as follows. Now the strap is actually attached to the back of the Kula Cloth. To snap it to your backpack, you simply snap it to the front of the Kula now, not the other way. Again, when you go to remove this, grasp onto this little tab, hold on to that snap, and open it. You should never, ever, ever be doing something that looks like this because it will cause the snap to rip out eventually. Once your Kula is attached with the strap like this, you can then use the secondary snap to double fold your Kula, which keeps your Kula Cloth clean while it is attached to your backpack, and it also prevents that used side from hitting your backpack. Again, when you go to unsnap it, I am gently holding on to the snaps themselves, sort of like giving them a little bit of support as I open it. It takes barely any pressure at all to do that. And then when I want to unsnap it from my backpack, again, holding on to those snaps, applying barely any pressure, and opening it. So I hope that helps. I know that it is weird to change from the old snap configuration to the new one, but once you get the hang of it, it's so much easier and so much better of a snap configuration. I think you're going to love it. Just remember, only support those snaps and pull from the snaps themselves, and your Kula will live a very, very, very long and healthy life. Happy peeing, friends.